In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Facebook page not showing in Meta Business Suite. If you've got a Facebook page that you know you manage, but it's just not appearing inside Meta Business Suite, the issue is usually either permissions or the page not being properly connected to your business account. I'll walk you through the exact checks and fixes you need to do step by step. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook profile that actually has access to the page you're trying to manage. If you're using multiple profiles, it's easy to be on the wrong one, so double check that first. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look for the settings option. Depending on the layout you're seeing, this is usually in the left-hand sidebar or sometimes under a menu icon. Go ahead and click on settings to open the main business settings area. This is where all your permissions and connected assets live. Inside settings, find the section labeled People. This is where Meta lists all the individual users who have access to this business account. Click on your own profile in that list. On the right, you'll see all the assets and permissions associated with your profile. Carefully check that you have the necessary access for pages. Ideally, you should have full control or at least be assigned the specific page you're trying to see. If you don't, ask a current admin of the business to adjust your permissions and give you the correct level of access. If your permissions look good but your page still isn't showing, the problem is probably that the page just hasn't been claimed by this business suite yet. To fix that, look back to the left-hand column and find the Pages section under Settings. Click on Pages to see all the pages currently connected to this business account. At the top or near the middle of that screen, you'll see an Add button. Click on Add to start connecting the missing page. A small menu will appear with different options. Choose Add an existing Facebook page. This tells Meta that you want to bring in a page that already exists and that you already have access to with your profile. A box will pop up asking you to type the name or the URL of the page. Start typing the page name or paste in the full link to the page and select it when it appears. From there, Meta will guide you through the final steps, including reviewing which people will have access and confirming the request. Follow the review and request approval stages until you see a confirmation. Once that's done, your Facebook page should appear in Meta Business Suite, ready for you to manage.